A light recipe describes the variation of light emission over the course of the day in a biocentric lighting solution. A light recipe is designed and defined in circadian impact power, or MEDI, over time, with the purpose to achieve a specific impact on the circadian rhythms of its users. That will depend on the application. Is it an office or a school, for example? With biocentric lighting solutions, there is always a default recipe for the application, and there is also a selection of recipes to support relevant activities in that application. For example, we have lecture, focus, and creative in a school environment. Well, different types of luminaires, grouped as general, task, and accent lighting, work according to unique light recipes in a biocentric light environment. The recipes are designed as a dynamic ensemble with intricate variations in contrast and color tones. Inspired by nature, this creates a dynamic, pleasant atmosphere that promotes a suitable state of mind for the activity. Biocentric lighting recipes are tailored to the application, user group, and the activity. Seniors in their communal area, professional athletes preparing for a game, or office workers, they all have different needs that the biocentric lighting recipes support. Soon, we'll be able to offer light recipes that will help you dial in your desired wake-up time.